Why, hello, and if you're new here, my name is Alana, and today I'm going to be showing you everything that I have packed into my Honda named Rhonda in order to camp inside her for 7 days. I almost said weeks. Wishful thinking. Now, I didn't go all out on this conversion. It's pretty simple, but I'm just planning on being in it for 7 days, and then I might make changes as I go. So if you want to see any of those changes, be sure to subscribe down below. Stay tuned. But let's go ahead and get started in the front seats. Okay, it's been a minute since I used this camera, so I had to figure out how to change it. But in the front seat here we have my 2 packing cubes full of clothes. The top ones is all of my shirts, the bottom ones is all of my pants. I'm really proud of that. I used to have a lot more. And then in my backpacking backpack, I just have some socks and underwear and swimsuits. Again, wishful thinking. Down here we have the camping essentials of a spare bottle of water and baby wipes. Never want to be without that. And then I have my Planet Fitness shower bag, if you want to see my more vloggy style where I go into Planet Fitness, show you my workouts and stuff, check the vlog that's linked here. And then next to that backpack I have yet another backpack that is full of all of my tech equipment. Since that has nothing to do with camping, I'm going to make a separate video for that. But then, over here in the door, I just have some watercolor supplies and a gratitude journal that I wanted to bring. And before I forget, I also have something in the door here. This is something that I bought a while ago, and it's something that I don't take with me when I go abroad, but it's really nice to have for like journaling inspiration while I can. And then while we're on this side of the back seat, I just wanted to show you that my yoga mat was stuffed back here so it wasn't like rolling around. But while I'm sleeping, I'm probably going to put that in the front seat, just like I did those clothes. So those clothes were hanging on that hook and I just moved them there since I won't be driving anytime soon. And then I put this hat on the seat because honestly I think it's funny, and one of my friends was joking and saying that I needed to get a mannequin to put in the front seat so that people would see it and think I wasn't alone, and I was like, but I am alone. But anyways, I just think that kind of looks like there's someone else in my car even though there's not. Then moving on to the driver's side, we have the entrance to the bed. So this is really, really simple. All it is a sheet and a blanket on top of this, like, it's not very thick, but it makes it so that the back seat extends out over the foot area, and then it just hangs off of the rear seat, and then it supports your weight. So hopefully that's comfortable. I haven't tested it yet. Again, stay tuned for the vlogs to find out the personal updates. But then I just have 2 pillows over there, my blanket. And yeah, it honestly looks really cozy from this angle. And the reason that I have 2 of those blankets is because one of them was my dad's and one of them I got for $12 at a gas station today. So yeah. And then under here in that plastic bag is just my shoes and some spare water. I even got some neighbors. Or should I say movers? That was a terrible joke, I'm so sorry. Okay, and then as I unload the trunk, I figured that would be the easiest way to show you everything in here. So, we got Grandma's camping chair that I didn't really ask for permission, I just took it from her garage. Sorry, Grandma. Then, we have even more water, because you can never be too prepared in the desert, plus I want to do dishes and I don't want to have to stop for more drinking water because drinking water is expensive. So I'm just gonna reuse this multiple times because the plastic jug itself was also expensive. Anyways, we've got the cooler bag of food which has my dinner in it and I'm very excited to eat it, but I'm making myself do the tour first. Got some paper towels. Then in this crate I have all of my dry food, so that bag is all refrigerated food. I don't know if I said that, and then this is all dry goods and my French press coffee maker because can't be without coffee. Then this is one of those purchases I mean, I'm glad that's a cow and not a human. This is why I like this life. Anyways, this is one of those decisions that I stood in Walmart debating for ages. wait, how does it work? Ah. 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 Okay, this is one of those decisions that I took forever to make in Walmart, but honestly, I feel like I'm pretty set. Then in this other crate I have some random stuff that I probably won't use at this campsite, like a hammock, because there's no trees, and then I have a floor blanket and a to-go travel yoga mat. Why I brought 2 yoga mats, you ask? Well, it's a problem that yoga teachers have, because I'm filming a content series on this trip. So if you're into yoga for mental health, subscribe for that too. But yeah, then I also, fun fact, brought a giant extension cord because when I go into Starbucks, I have like 10 things to charge when I go during this week, so yeah, time saving. Okay, and then in this is basically my entire kitchen. So I have a handy dandy jet boil, which I'll use in the vlog. I also have a little portable blender, which just charges through USB, aka one of the million things that I'll need to charge in Starbucks. But I've used it 2 or 3 times now, and it works really, really well, especially with frozen fruit and ice cubes. So 2 thumbs up from me. We got some plates, also that I stole from my grandma's pantry. Thanks, Grandma. Oh, I will be needing this later. Got some napkins, and a knife, a fork, a spoon, and a pair of scissors. And yes, the knife is wrapped jankily in a washcloth. What are you gonna do about it, huh? And last but not least, the cutting board that I've had since college. Is that mold? No, I'm just traumatized from Panama. Hold on, let me reenact when I saw the moon. Oh my goodness! Look at it! Wow! As much as I wish I could just sit and watch the moonrise this entire time, the moonrise also means the sunset. So I need to finish prepping my car for the night, which includes my very last addition to my car. Which are these window coverings. Now I made these myself in another vlog that apparently I'm just referencing all of my vlogs in this video, so shameless plugs. But yeah, watch me put them in. Okay, so I'll be the first to admit that they're not perfect, but honestly, I guess I need to fix that spot. But really, like, for cheap cutout window coverings, I think they're pretty great. Anyways, thanks for joining me on this adventure, showing you everything that I packed into my little Honda Accord for a week of camping. I'm pretty proud of it. And if you want to see how this adventure goes, be sure to subscribe, stick around, and I hope to see you again in my next adventures. Bye guys! Just gonna sit and enjoy my sushi! This is the end of the car tour. Next vlog.